Hello, German students. This is an important event in your German learning career as you're about to embark on the past tense. So, the first type of past tense in German that you're going to learn is das Perfekt. And I'm going to talk about the different components in das Perfekt and give you examples, and then you're going to highlight different parts of speech in a das Perfekt sentence. So, das Perfekt is the spoken past tense in German. So this is the spoken one, and there's also a written past tense, which we'll get to later. It's called das Imperfekt. But for now, we're talking about the spoken past tense. It's similar to the English present perfect, and it has nothing to do with the present tense or with being perfect. So just ignore the words present perfect and focus on das Perfekt. What does it look like in English? I have come, I have seen, I have conquered. And notice also that in English, we have two kinds of past participles, just like we do in German. There's ones that end in ed, and there are other irregular ones that do not end in ed. And you'll see in German there's two kinds as well. What will I need for a das Perfekt sentence? You're going to need a helping verb, which will be either haben or sein. And you need a past participle, which usually has a ge in it. The helping verb will either be haben or sein and will be conjugated and placed in second position. So we see already in these two examples that we have helping verbs in second position. The first one is ich bin. Bin comes from sein, to be. Ich bin 8 Uhr zur Schule gekommen. I have come to school at 8 o'clock. Now, why did we use sein for this one? Because there's movement. We see in gekommen, there's movement, so you use sein as your helping verb. The next example, hat einen großen Hamburger gegessen. Since there's no movement or changes in state, you use haben as your helping verb. So again, that's in second position. Then you need a past participle to go at the end of the sentence. And most past participles, again, contain a ge. So, ich bin 8 Uhr zur Schule gekommen. Again, that past participle contains a ge usually, and it's at the end of a sentence. Hat einen großen Hamburger gegessen. Gegessen, again, goes to the end, contains a ge. You want to label the helping verbs and past participles now on your own worksheet. So I've done the first one for you. Remember, your helping verb is in second position. So I've coordinated the red in the helping verb with the helping verb at the top. And of course, the past participle goes to the end. So I'll give you a minute or two to go ahead and label those. Notice, by the way, that some of these end in T and some of these add an en. So as you can see here, this is what you should have on your paper. You should have labeled it similar to the way I did. So again, you have haben or sein in second position as a helping verb, and then you have your past participle at the end. Past participles, again, usually contain a ge. That's all I have for you today for das Perfekt. Thank you.